ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Very good morning, children. Today we have to learn about multiplication table of 2. Let's start. Wow, this is a multiplication table of 2. So this symbol represents multiplication. This is a symbol of equal symbol. So when we add 2 in one time, we get 2. When we add 2 in 2 times, we get 4. So multiplication is a repeated addition. So let's learn the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Yes. This is a multiplication table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. This is a multiplication table of 5.